build my castles in the air. Once I tried to walk my dreams and put my mind to only flesh and bone and overt physicalities of schemes. But after a few steps, I fell down. All my muscles, sinews, nerves and will were powerless to put me on my feet. I tried and tried and tried and tried, but still I found myself squarely on my seat. All my efforts, having all my sweat, which I had pre-invested, were futile. But I had learned that frustration and fret are never helpful even for a while. Hence, I started dreaming then and there and bent to build castles in the air.